drone the adwuma bro.
Asame na oka nsan. Drone politics ma mutumu kan say.
No, let's analyze it.
What's the drone in fair adwuma?
No, let's analyze it.
Mama akwaba wo frame adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo NDC Communicator bi eko eye Mark Jerry ni show ewo Neat FM so political talk show. Na NDC Communicator ni samode etudwa ene se eye drone service na ewo Ghana hanoma edge amanfo true medicine true emoja na ade no. Papa echere se enye ehu ni mfa so. Jese ehu hinya kra se nka NPP abanwe e introduce adanya ne reason ne say ye won sase bebre wo ho no manka na nado na na ban betimi adua imbro adua ndobai no mo aye production amagana fo no mo edi na drone service de sabi nya sase me no na na magjevi e kire say na NDC fu because of politics intino sisi adwene ncha na function bi wa na politics inti ade eye no enye zipline drone na eboa Ghana no enye na ebusuafo ansa na mede ensem e cause bebre no. You see, young kasa bebre because yakasa for the past 6 or 7 years ni yakasa. Oh ya Ghana ni bana se mutie mia. It's about time I say 7th December we call polling station. So I bet your NDC as simple as that. Just vote against NDC. Ghanaians, in fact, let's all come together and sack this NDC party forever and ever. Because omo ye dump. Your friend say zipline drone na e save Ghana phone na. Me fa say micro mbrakwa aye clinic yi. Esikuma aye hospital no. Emergency esi wo brakwa sisi brakwa problem operation wo sana mate. Na emergency esi wo esikuma. No mu nya emoja na say eduru na bibisas afe na ambulance me kai pa mete brakwa 6 o'clock and 5 o'clock that way every day be about this ambulance from brakwa to Esikuma so no be 45 minutes drive into 45 minutes and imagine say car if ambulance every Esikuma eba brakwa na se nipa no aka ne time be 50 minutes. And I said 30 minutes on betimi dey save na say nipa no we and is it because Ghana ha no me no ye wu an penifo no mo fa ye hu nti no e normal ana metina brakwa dadade me ya bofra metina brakwa every day be ambulance ba brakwa every day be ambulance ba brakwa and there's ambulance ba brakwa na bi ade na aye critical no mo be fe nipa de na akwa Esikuma but nye sa ade a kona ko hwe brakwa every blessed day bia zipline drone eko beni every day bia eko beni na nseme kobra kwa zipline drone amfa moja na say duru amba bra kwa na nye be 10 15 every day bia eko na ebase ya e save ni pan you are telling us say hu hia ka won fanye ebrofu na NDC for no mo ba power da NDC for no mo ba power da mo mebu amembu ni da. As a matter of fact, NDC for be Ghana so than the NPP have rule Ghana. More be rule Ghana for over 30 something years in it. Or my penda da mahama krane na membu fuse be 8 years any. How many companies na mubi? How many factories na NDC mo? NPP anya one factory a kumfi I produce juice and they be the US amanone or more ton. And your crown and another worst president ever in the history of Ghana. Waiting yes one factory. And this factory ahina mo sia. Drone is saving ni pano and yentino. Just enka one fanya fu na papa. We NDC ni papa penny to say wa ye penny say me pacho. Ghana how to ever since amuji independence wa Ghana hano. How many factory NDC for see? Drone service na ba na NDC for day. Just a mode just the papa bia NPP be introduce a bo Ghana number by hook or by crook and some cassette ya that is a deny a foolish thing because some of the Ghanaians and so margin it will fame low just a low cry low battery into that zipline drone you can ban the common fasu bia America almighty America crown they are surprised how Dr. Bawumia go about this drone service and you are in the country, you are just speaking against it. You go manya driver the car when accident and penifunu don't care. They don't ask them any questions. Into when accident na wo Ghana how we kwasi you. So a man like who out treat so every you think say in moon na normal. People die every day in Ghana without asking anyone, without interrogating anyone. And you think say normal say will be like it's normal say will be drone service in save your mouth on it's not important. Obi operation or painful so when an operation no what hey nebusiafono they don't have any right to question the hospital. They don't have any right to sue the hospital. So therefore normal motor driver be drive your own dinile we better so the other bow nkwasi asemi senya na ekoso wo mem nti papa te say wo be catch and say drone service na hu nyampa mo asem kwa yenti reply a Mark Jerry enso the man or catch as NDC for politics in the adrenaline she dey adwuma kra. What is the meaning of this? Yenti ense my ekoso
cities 1 city 2 cities airport ne de entibia wugina wa wo de Ghana car na bie with the drone afayum no de druaba
anya papa
Mark
me say anya papa
Mark
yes
ye mienu ye ndwene ho
ye ndwe de be ho
ye ndwene say drone de adwuma be bro
asame na oka understand
drone
politics ma mutumu kan say
no let's analyze it
o se drone en fa adwuma
no let's analyze it
enye nipa
na Ghana here any drone wa pay wa sase da wa ye betumi adua bayre aipo
no just like that
no you also so that's what you believe then I think I'm sorry so if it's a drone betumi abre bebo Ghana at this time do you think drone can help? What we need now is drone.
Send drone and our force say your friend is saying the human and your bastard say is unnecessary.
What I'm trying to do,
drone delivery.
I can say, I'm saying
drone delivery. It is a way yare, and I am saying,
if listen,
but what it, I'm open moja, and a moja, and ye and been a drone that deliver moja dia buyer. Sabia, because a drone win your own.
Mark, if you are using a word unnecessary, I'll use beyond unnecessary. It's irrelevant at this time. So we see unnecessary, irrelevant at this time of our economy. Well, I am telling you, yes, we don't need it. We need better roads. We need better roads, connectivity that will link the economy, not drone. That will link the economy. The fundamentals. Now, Dr. Baumia was talking about. Interview. One of the mother stations was asking him, what is the type of your economy? I say, my type of our not, but it's not doing so economy. It is not family and fair economy. But tell us your type of economy at the time. And when I'm interview, now interview say, then tell us what is the type of your economy? Or say, it is my economy. I'll tell you, I will bring a new economy. But it's not doing so. But what is your type of economy? You talk about the fundamentals. But I can say Dr. Baumia doesn't know how to address the fundamentals. He couldn't even identify the fundamentals of our economy. Else, if you were able to identify, you would have tackled it hands down. Because addressing Ghanaian